Hi, this is Andrea Winfrey from Tobii Dynavox, and I just wanted to share a fairly quick way to import topics from the Core First page set into MotorPlan. So one of the primary differences between the MotorPlan page sets and Core First is that MotorPlan is primarily focused on single words and some pre-stored phrases and sentences in your quick fires. But by default, it does not include the topics pages from Core First. And some teams would really like to integrate those two things. So to pull those topics pages into MotorPlan. So I wanted to kind of walk you through those steps. So first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you're logged into a My Tobii Dynavox account, both in TD Snap. So you'll go to Edit and User. Make sure that you're logged into your My Tobii Dynavox account here. And then also in a web browser, because you're going to need to access PageSet Central. So if you go to a web browser, go to mytobiidynavox.com, log in with your Tobii Dynavox account. And what we're going to do is use PageSet Central, which is a sharing platform for page sets and page bundles, custom content. So we're going to pull in the topics pages from here. So in your web browser, you've logged into your Tobii Dynavox account, click on PageSet Central. Now over in your search tool over here, we're going to select TD Snap. We just want to see content that's compatible with Snap. And then I'm going to search for original topics. There are a couple different versions of this saved. I tend to use this one. So if you click on this original topics page bundle, you're then going to add to my stuff. So it's going to save this file to your Tobii Dynavox account. So if you end up pulling the topics pages into another page set in TD Snap, you don't need to do those steps that we just went through again. So you've got this file now saved to your Tobii Dynavox account, and you could, so let's say you're an SLP supporting multiple clients using MotorPlan. You now have this saved to your account, so you can just pull it in from TD Snap in the future. So now that you've got it saved to your account, we're going to go over to TD Snap. Again, you're already logged into that same Tobii Dynavox account here in Snap. And I'm going to go out of edit mode to talk about where we want to link these topics. My kind of default is to link them on the dashboard. So we can make a link to the topics pages here. Some people prefer to link them from quick fires. This is really kind of up to you, your discretion. So wherever you choose to link the topics pages, you'll go into edit mode. So let's say you do decide to link them under quick fires. And then when you see a blank space, instead of just clicking the plus sign to add a new button, you'll click these links on the top right corner. And what I want to do is import from my Tobii Dynavox and link to that page. So I just added this original topics page bundle so that your most recently added content is going to come up at the top of this list. So you'll select that, say next. And then this is a list of all the different pages that are associated with that page bundle. And this page bundle, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and link to the menu page. So we want this button to link to the menu of different topics. So I've selected that as the main page, import, and this will take a few seconds because it's a pretty big page bundle. All right, you'll say done. And then you'll see it's going to give you a label for this button. I'm just going to modify that, just call it topics. I could select any picture symbol I want for this button. Now when I say done, I could make this a different style too. Like if you wanted this purple to match the other links on this page, you could easily do that under edit. click on the button and go to Style. So if I want that button background to be that same purple color, scroll down through all my different background colors. I think that's iris. Yep. So now it matches my other links on this page. And now when I click on topics, it's going to go to my whole big topic menu. And you can see that this automatically aligned with my grid size too. So it's a 30 button layout, just like the rest of your motor plan page set. All right. And so again, in Motor Plan 30 now, when I go to quick fires and then topics, I've got all of those core first topics pulled in. And same goes for Motor Plan 60. So I'm going to toggle over to the Motor Plan 60 page set and just demonstrate these steps one more time. So here I am in Motor Plan 60, just as an example. Let's say we want to link topics to your quick fires page again. So I'm going to quick fires, edit. Let's say I want to create the link here. Again, I don't have to go through those steps in the web browser again because that topics file is already in my Tobii Dynavox account. Import and link to page from my Tobii Dynavox. I'm selecting those original topics. Scrolling all the way down to the menu page. All right, and again, you could go through those steps to make the style match the rest of the links. I'll skip that for now, just for efficiency's sake. And then when you click on that, here are all the topics. And again, it has automatically made the layout match the grid size in Motor Plan 66. All right, thank you so much for listening. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. Andrea.winfrey@tobiidynavox.com. Thank you so much.